Today we are not going to be wasting time at all. This is what we are working on, and in 3 minutes we should be done. Now let's get started. You are going to grab a 3 layers Aso-Oke material, or if you have a longer one, you can try it out as well. Knot it the way I did, or if you don't want to knot, you can use your rubber band in replacement of knotting. Now dip it in gently like this and place from the back, direct access to the front, and you grab another band. That is if you don't want to use my method, which is knotting method. We're going to knot this excess that we have at the front as well, and after knotting we proceed to the next stage. You see, before I post this video, I'm doubting, is it doubting, or I'm contemplating, should I drop this or I should delete it off. But I was just like, just post it, right? Because I was like, will it be distributed to the people who really need this? Because I need that. I know there are some people that need it so much, but I don't know how algorithm is going to push it to them. But I just take the risk. Just let me post it. Maybe it will reach them. So if you are seeing this, help me share so that it will reach people that actually need this. I need to get to them, right? Because I know it will be helpful. Now I'm going to go back to my explanation. You see, I already noted, and after noting, I plated down the excess material. If you have a very longer one, you can pin both sides the way I pinned the first one. But if it is not long, you can use my method by just pressing in like this and grabbing a pin up and securing it there, right? So after securing, you use your hand to adjust. Whenever I'm done with my wrap, I'm always adjusting because that is where I'll have my finished touch and the beauty is going to come out, right? So here is the final result we are about to see. Absolutely simple, right? So share this video, even if it's not helpful to you. I know if you share it, it will reach someone who might need this, because I need it to reach them, right? I need it to reach them because it's so simple enough that anyone can try this. So if I've done something good and you think you've learned, you can actually drop me a nice comment, share this video as I've said, and what else, like this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Ta-da!